Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to place a market order on Poloniex. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to place a market order on Poloniex using the Poloniex mobile app. The first thing to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, which of course I have done right here, and log into your account if prompted. From the home screen, tap the trade icon, which is at the bottom of the screen, or you can navigate to the market section to access available trading pairs. So let's say I go to trade, and so in here, now you can, once you click on trade, you can start the process in here in the trade option. But then another alternative to clicking trade and market is searching for the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade using the search bar at the top of the page. That's another step. So once you have chosen the specific trading pair you want to place a market order for, tap on the pair to enter the trading screen for that pair. So in here, after clicking on trade, you can select that top. In case you don't want the BTC, USDT, you can just click on that and you see other pairs available from this drop down menu. Now the drop down menu is loading up. I don't know how long it's going to take, but then okay, this is it. So these are pairs available, so just select any of them, and once you select any of them, it takes you here. Now once on the trading page for the selected pair, you will typically see different options for others. So here you have limit, and you have limit, you have market, you have stop limit, you have trailing stop, you have stop market, you have post only. Select market, and once you select market, a market order will execute immediately at the best available price in the market. So the next thing to do is, for a buy market order, you can select the buy tab. In the buy section, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. So click on it. So buy market, and enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So of course, in a sense, it's USDT. Now you can also use the percentage buttons, which might be pretty much available for you. So you have 25, and you have 50, you have 75, and you have 100. Any of them available to quickly impute how much of available funds you want to use for the purchase. Now I do not have available funds, so all of these are just really not going to work. Now in the sell option, or in sell section, just click on the sell tab, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Similarly, you can use the percentage buttons, use the slider to select how much of crypto holdings to sell. Market orders will be executed at the best available price at the moment you place the order. Since the price can fluctuate, make sure you're comfortable with the current market rate. And after entering the amount and reviewing the price, tap buy or sell. So buy if purchasing, or sell if selling, to confirm your market order. And you'll be prompted with a summary of the order showing the total cost, fees, and expected amount of the cryptocurrency at the bottom corner. If you have 2FA enabled, that's two-factor authentication, you may be required to enter the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app to confirm the transaction. A market order is executed immediately at the best available market price. Once you confirm the order, it will be processed and the cryptocurrency will be bought or sold instantly. You receive a notification or pop-up confirming that your order has been successfully executed. And you can also review the details of the executed market order by going to the order history section. This section will show completed trade, including including the exact price and the amount. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So market orders execute immediately once it executes immediately once you place an order. But if you want more control over the price at which you trade, just go ahead and consider using limit order instead. And that's pretty much it. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.